Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you LicQual Level 3 Diploma in the installation of pipework components in construction. The LicQual Level 3 Diploma in the installation of pipework components in construction qualification provides a nationally recognized qualification for those working in this specialized area of construction. The qualification has been accredited onto the Regulated Qualifications Framework, RQF, and is published on OFQL's Register of Qualifications. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-5056-755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999-937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk.